when your existing members come inside your gym for their daily training, or maybe a new entrant or a prospect membership is walking inside your gym again, certain unique selling propositions can actually get your members to stay within your gym. अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसे highlighted equipment हो, your entire philosophy of your gym is defined in that one particular equipment. Here I present to you one equipment which will act as a highlighted equipment for your gyms. It's a jungle gym. It's a heavy loaded equipment. आपके gym पे जैसे ही one equipment load होगा, this humongous structure will actually create eyeballs for your gym, and you can excel your gym from any other gym around in your vicinity. This is MG02 Jungle Gym by Wellness Gym Equipment for your gyms. जब आप selectorized weight stack के single station को अपने gym पे load करते हैं, then obviously you have a lat pull down, which is a mandatory equipment at any gym. But what you miss out is the mid-row workout, जो आपके सिंगल स्टेशन में आपको एक्सपेंसिव कॉस्ट करती है. सो दिस साइड विल गिव यू अ लैट पुल डाउन एक्सरसाइज एंड अ मिड रो. लैट पुल डाउन में इसकी हाइट इतनी ज़्यादा सफिशिएंटली ऊंची है कि 6 फीट 4 इंचेस तक का यूजर सीट पे बैठकर अपनी लैट पुल डाउन की एक्सरसाइज में स्क्वीज फील नहीं करेंगे. सो व्हाइल दे आर रिलीजिंग, व्हेन दे आर रिलीजिंग द बार अपवर्ड्स, दे डोंट फील रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इन द पाथ ऑफ ग्लाइड. उनका आर्म स्ट्रेच पूरा हाइट तक जाएगा. आपने बहुत सारे सिंगल स्टेशन की लैट पुल डाउन पे ये प्रॉब्लम फील करी है. जिस टाइम पे आप इसको पुल डाउन करके रिलीज अप करते हैं, नाउ यू डोंट हैव दैट हाइट, तो आपका बेसिकली मूवमेंट एंड पाथ यहाँ पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है. सो आप फुल स्ट्रेच नहीं अचीव कर पाते. दिस जंगल जिम विल ऑफर यू सच एन एम्पल हाइट, sufficiently good enough for a 6 feet 4 inches user to work out as per his comfort and desires. The second workout MG02 Jungle Gym will offer you is leg extension and leg curls combined in one unit. Chest fly and deltoids दो बहुत ही important workouts होती है, किसी भी exercise schedule में कभी भी miss नहीं होनी चाहिए. So this is the only one jungle gym which is specifically designed, tailor-made to specificity, जिसमें आपको chest fly and deltoids in a lot of adjustments. So nobody feels restricted when they're working out. And the most attractive feature of a jungle gym is the cable crossover, which adds to the value of the whole gym. जब ये structure आपके gym floor पे laid out होता है, इसका overall appeal, size, structure and massiveness defines the strength area for your gym floor. So this has the adjustable cable crossover where you could do enormous exercises with chin-ups. The point that we need to understand is, why do you need a jungle gym instead of a single station? Single stations traditionally हर जिम पे शुरू से लगते आ रहे हैं. So there is nothing new about the single stations, but a jungle gym is a very newer and a recent concept. 3 से 5 साल पहले जब से इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है, and the pricing has been super exorbitant कि आपके gyms पे affordability हो ही नहीं सकती थी. Wellness Gym Equipment has broken that barrier of the price affordability, made it very affordable for your gyms. The presence of one jungle gym will highlight the entire project's appeal when it comes to the strength floor. आपको अगर memberships को retain करना है, you want them to do multiple workouts within the same equipment. आपके पास स्पेस का कंस्ट्रेंट हो सकता है, आपके पास स्पेस एक्स्ट्रा हो सकती है. Despite loading a lot of single stations, even then you feel there is a need for something which can fill up the space and also make it very impactful. This one jungle gym is the right solution for this. Workout variations that you can achieve in this one jungle gym will make your clients so welcoming towards the exercise equipment, they don't feel that intimidation. आप इसमें massive group training करा सकते हैं, आप इसमें variation of exercise and choices ज़्यादा develop कर सकते हो. So this one jungle gym is a very important equipment अगर आप अपने standards को किसी भी और gym से differently define करना चाहते हैं. Wellness Gym Equipment की overall exercise technology for your gyms is that we believe in advocating, promoting, developing something which has been out of the box. जो international global concepts prevailing है, वो आपके gyms पे in your budgets 100% loaded होने चाहिए, be it any town within India. Jungle Gym is one of the latest addition. जब आप equipment line explore करते हैं, instead of going for something which is traditional, because वो आपके members ने हर gym पे traditionally देखा हुआ है. So how do you define your standards above than anyone else, and how do you offer a newer technology of exercise? This MG02 Jungle Gym will set a standard for your members, attract more walk-ins, get you more revenues and get your retentions higher, and making your gym business more profitable for you to run over the longest years. हमें businesses में अगर stability चाहिए और जहाँ पे specifically metal involved है, metal and color silver synergizes with the energy of moon. So आप इसमें positive energies reflect करते हैं. The whole aura and the vibrations within your gym improvises. आपके cash registers और आपके gym की stability में color silver plays a very important role. So you will see a lot of international companies when it comes to gymming equipment directly resonates with the color silver and आपको हर जगह पे international global chains में color silver बहुत ज़्यादा importantly dominantly role play करता हुआ मिलेगा. Wellness gym equipment uses the entire color philosophy of silver, which is the most suitable color in case you're running a gym business for your growth and stability of your clients within your gyms. To explore installing MG02 now within your gyms, speak to Wellness Gym Equipment and get this equipment now loaded well within your reach and budgets. Talk to us.